What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the Canon G7X Mark II. Okay, pause. You guys are just gonna have to ignore that my hair is looking stiff. I tried the little hair paint wax today on my straight hair, and yeah, It's currently Christmas Day, 12:04, and my mom was like, "You want to open your presents tonight, or you want to open it tomorrow?" Of course, I said tonight. So here she is. I think I'm gonna name her Sapphire, which doesn't make sense, but I'm gonna name her Sapphire. So I don't know how we should do this. This is it. Comes with all these instructions. Honestly, we don't need those because what are instructions? Here she is, Celeste, Sapphire. There is Sapphire. Okay, here's the battery. So let's plug this girl in. Okay, so we have the battery in. Let's put the SD card in. 128. This is a lot of storage. I'm still a little under the weather. I'm just so excited. Like, you should see the SD card comes in this little SD thing. The YouTube video is about to be on point. Okay, so let's put the SD card in. Just like that. I'm having a little difficulty because I'm pretty sure I know this brown part is supposed to go over the camera. But the way it's looking right now, it doesn't want to go. Mom! My mother showed me how to do it. So I just had it in backwards. Okay, and now let's plug it in. All right, y'all ready? Oh my God, wow. Should we start filming? Oh no, I turned it off. I can't see because my ring light is so big and bright. Okay, we're recording. There y'all are. Oh, I see my little setup, the little ring light, but oh my gosh, let's check it out. Wow, this is so cool. I'm in love. Okay, all right, so we're gonna switch to see how this quality pays off. Okay, so the quality on this bad boy is pretty good. I'm loving it. I'm obsessed. It just looks so good. I'm so happy. But yeah, the camera's gonna die soon. I just wanted to film this little quick video for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you when I catch you. Peace.